The steel network has a unique steel and concrete system that provides for low maintenance costs. This would include the initial construction cost, routine maintenance, like treating wood with costly chemicals, or any future restoration costs for the structure. Steel is an economic and sustainable choice for the homeowner. There are no nail pops or cracking from material shrinkage or settling, and no creaks in floors or cracks in tiles. Steel is inorganic and does not require repairs from damage due to pests, mold, or rot. Steel framing construction has the lowest upfront cost due to it being readily available. Steel can be recycled, so you do not have to pay landfill fees for non-recyclable waste, as you will be able to recycle steel and other components that are used during the construction process.